Number 1. 1969 Dodge Dart Sedan Slant 6, $2,800, San Mateo, California. This 1969 Dodge Dart sedan is an affordable entry into classic American compact cars, powered by the durable Slant 6 engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. With only 50,000 original miles on the engine, it offers strong mechanical potential, as these engines are widely known for their longevity and simplicity. The car starts easily, which is a major advantage for a project vehicle. However, it does require attention, particularly with the transmission linkage that prevents smooth gear engagement. While it can move under its own power, towing is recommended. The yellow patina finish gives it an authentic survivor look that many enthusiasts appreciate today. Overall, this is a solid, budget-friendly project with great upside for someone willing to invest time into mechanical sorting. Number 2. 1985 Chevrolet Celebrity Wagon, $1,300, Chula Vista, California. This 1985 Chevrolet Celebrity Wagon represents a practical and increasingly rare example of a mid-size American family wagon from the 1980s. Powered by a gasoline engine with an automatic transmission, it runs and drives strong with approximately 120,000 original miles. The minor vacuum hose leak is an easy fix and does not significantly affect drivability. The interior is in very good condition, rated around 8 out of 10, and includes features like air conditioning, heater, and power windows, which were desirable for its time. The exterior remains intact, and the roof racks add functionality, especially for outdoor lifestyles. This is a great low-cost classic for daily use or nostalgic cruising. Number 3. 1988 Dodge DW150 4-wheel drive pickup, $8,800, Gresham, Oregon. This 1988 Dodge DW150 pickup is a classic full-size truck equipped with a reliable 318 cubic inch V8 engine and automatic transmission. Known for its rugged construction and strong 4-wheel drive capability, this generation of Dodge trucks is highly respected among enthusiasts. The seller highlights its recent purchase and long-distance drive from California to Oregon, indicating dependable performance. While the odometer reading of 65,406 miles is noted, it is not fully reliable due to rollover or malfunction. The salvage title may affect value, but the truck's condition is described as close to new, making it appealing for buyers seeking a capable vintage truck. It is a solid option for both utility and classic truck enjoyment. Number 4. 1989 Jaguar XJS, $6,200, Costa Mesa, California. This 1989 Jaguar XJS offers classic British luxury and performance, featuring a smooth 12-cylinder engine paired with an automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive. The vehicle runs and drives very well, and recent updates such as new paint and a brand new convertible top significantly enhance its appeal. With a clean title and recent emissions compliance, it is ready for the road. The Jaguar XJS is known for its refined ride and distinctive styling, making it a standout grand touring car of its era. While maintenance on a 12-cylinder engine can be complex, this example appears to be a well-kept and attractive entry into classic European motoring. Number 5. 1965 Ford Thunderbird, $9,000, Eugene, Oregon. This 1965 Ford Thunderbird is a stylish personal luxury coupe powered by a 390 cubic inch V8 engine with an automatic transmission. It runs and drives well despite having been stored for nearly 10 years, which speaks to its solid mechanical foundation. The interior remains largely original and in great condition, with only minor wear on the headliner. Importantly, the car is rust-free with solid floors and trunk, a critical factor for long-term value. Equipped with power steering and power disc brakes, it offers a comfortable driving experience. The Thunderbird from this era is known for its unique design and smooth ride, making this a desirable classic cruiser. Number 6. 1966 Dodge Coronet, $9,800, Round Rock, Texas. This 1966 Dodge Coronet is a well-maintained classic muscle-era sedan, featuring a 318 poly V8 engine and automatic transmission. With 85,835 miles believed to be original, it combines authenticity with usability. The addition of vintage air conditioning that blows cold significantly improves comfort, especially in warmer climates. Numerous mechanical updates, including a new alternator, starter, and ignition components, enhance reliability. Performance upgrades such as a high-rise intake manifold and Edelbrock 4-barrel carburetor add extra power, while the front disc brake conversion improves safety. This Coronet is a nicely balanced classic that blends originality with thoughtful upgrades. Number 7. 1957 Ford Custom 300, $15,000, Santa Rosa, California. This 1957 Ford Custom 300 is a rare two-door sedan that captures the spirit of late 1950s American design. Powered by its original straight-six engine and paired with a 3-speed manual transmission on the column, it offers an authentic vintage driving experience. With 32,000 miles showing, it runs well and has been stored indoors, helping preserve its condition. The repaint shows some wear, including fading clear coat and minor cracks, but this adds to its character as a driver-quality classic. With minimal rust and no engine leaks, it stands as a solid and increasingly collectible model for enthusiasts seeking originality. Number 8. 1957 Volkswagen Beetle, $12,500, St. Louis, Missouri. This 1957 Volkswagen Beetle is an iconic example of one of the most recognizable cars ever built. Featuring a rear-mounted 4-cylinder engine and manual transmission, it delivers the simple and reliable driving experience that made the Beetle famous worldwide. The car has been freshly painted and is powered by a later 1966 engine, which is known for improved performance over earlier versions. While it runs and stops well, it does require heater channel repairs, a common issue for Beetles of this era. The inclusion of original seats and extra parts adds value. This is a charming classic with strong collector appeal. Number 9. MGB GT Hatchback, $13,220, Seattle, Washington. This MGB GT Hatchback is described as a true time capsule, retaining much of its original condition with attractive patina. Powered by a 4-cylinder engine and manual transmission, it offers a classic British sports car driving experience with practical hatchback versatility. With just over 34,000 miles, it has been well preserved and recently updated with new brake components, improving safety and drivability. The MGB GT is known for its balanced handling and timeless design, making it a favorite among enthusiasts. This example stands out as a well-maintained survivor that is both enjoyable to drive and collectible. Number 10. 1978 Ford Limited Wagon, $13,500, Morris, Illinois. This 1978 Ford Limited Wagon is a full-size American station wagon powered by a smooth-running V8 engine and automatic transmission. With just under 100,000 miles, it has relatively low mileage for its age and has been well-maintained. The spacious interior makes it highly practical, while its classic styling captures the essence of late 1970s family vehicles. The condition is described as excellent, with a solid interior and an exterior that still attracts attention. Vehicles like this are becoming increasingly rare, especially in such well-preserved condition, making it a great choice for collectors or enthusiasts seeking a unique and usable classic.